the first sign of reversal, which is a breakout at the high of the day. So keep in mind that 4 out of 5 breakouts fail. That is why we are using this strategy. And so we wait for breakout, and we see we have, boom, we have our breakout at 3:15. Once we have our breakout, we go to 1 minute time frame. And in the 1 minute time frame, this is where we identify our second sign of reversal, which is the pattern. The pattern we want to see is just price bouncing off of a horizontal line, exactly like this. So if we break down and close outside here, then that is our third signal. Now let's see what price does. So price continues going higher, all right? Then we are still looking for patterns that form on a horizontal line. So what does price do? So we can see here that price actually is bouncing off of, again, this area. So we had this first bounce, we have this second bounce. So if we come back down to that level and bounce again, then we can have a solid pattern forming there. And so we wait, we see price again. Price has bounced off this level. Once I see price is bouncing off of this level, I just draw my zone there to where I want to see price breaking out, which brings us to sign number 3, which is now the breakout. So we see price trying to push down, and then boom, we have this breakout. So if we look at the low of that pin, we see this candle breaks out and closes below that level, which means that this pattern has been locked in now. So now I can get in here, I can put my stops above this level, and then I can target 1 to 2, like that. And then I let the market do its thing.